Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a Team OKR, Objectives and Key Results template in Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. Let's begin with the first step, defining your OKRs. On your Monday.com dashboard, click on Add New and select the OKR template. You'll want to brainstorm and clarify your team's objectives and key results. This step is crucial because OKRs help in aligning the team's goals and provides a clear vision of what needs to be achieved. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the second step, assigning OKRs. After defining your objectives and key results, assign them to the relevant team members. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities and what they're working towards. Next up, we'll be setting deadlines. Click on your OKR and set a deadline for completion. This helps us because it creates a sense of urgency, keeps everyone on track, and ensures the tasks are completed on time. Now, let's personalize your OKR board. You can add columns for status updates, priority levels, or even a rating system. Let me explain why this matters. Customizing your board allows you to keep track of progress in a way that best suits your team dynamics. Finally, you'll want to communicate the OKRs to your team. Use the share option on Monday.com to ensure everyone is on the same page. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you share your OKRs, your team will be notified, helping foster a sense of collective ownership and accountability. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Team OKR template in Monday.com. By following these simple steps, you can easily align your team's goals and monitor progress in an effective and efficient manner. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, the key to achieving great results is setting clear, attainable objectives. Until next time.